Hey everybody, I'm pretty excited today because we finally have a vehicle that we've added to the family here that's mostly complete. We're not going to stop with modifications on it, but I want to introduce to you our new Bronco. We purchased this Bronco as a Badlands Sasquatch hardtop luxury package Bronco, which is very, very hard to find. So that was one thing that made this very appealing to us. But just like the Audi RS5 here, both of these platforms have been a personal passion of mine. Right whenever they released the first vehicles on both of these cars, I said, I have to have one of those because they're just so cool looking. So in 2012, when the first RS5 was announced and they started hitting the markets, I still have photos on my phone dating back to 2012 where I was just drooling over the 𝐃𝐨𝐽 blue RS5 all-wheel drive with a V8. When they announced the Bronco, the same thing happened. I was super excited. I said, I can't believe they're making this look exactly like this. It's such a retro look to the past Broncos, but brought to today's standards, today's looks with a few different tweaks. And me being a bigger guy, that's something that's very hard for me to find as a car that I fit in. RS5, I fit wonderfully in. The Bronco feels like a my size kind of truck. So it's really cool. The other thing I'm really excited about is that at Authentic Details, because we're car enthusiasts, we love to customize and make things a little bit different. So I want to take you through first the Bronco and show you all the things that we've done to it since we've had it. Like I said, there may be some other things that we're going to be doing to this, but the first thing I want to point out is this awesome RTR grille. This adds a couple of different things. One, it's fully blacked out. It does have a little bit more of a curve in, and then it's got these really cool daytime running lights that add a very different look when it's coming down the road. We also did a modular steel bumper upgrade. This is actually an OEM option from Ford. So we went ahead and added this so that we can start putting some other parts on here, give it a little bit more of a rugged look. Also, the main reason that we had to do that was so that we can clear these huge 37-inch BFGoodrich KO2 tires. These tires are amazing, by the way. If you're considering an off-road vehicle and want to put some tires on it, these things are great. They ride really nice, so it makes the ride really smooth. We've got these 20-inch RTR wheels on here as well. These are 20 by 10, I believe, or 20 by 9.5, I can't remember, but they fit the tire perfectly. We've got a 12-inch wide tire. We've also got some control arm upgrades here to give us a little bit of a lift to help us clear these tires. So that was also necessary. We added some side steps, obviously to help get in the vehicle. I've got little kids, and so they really need those things getting in here. Stealth paint protection film that we've done all over this thing to make it look really, really sinister and cool. You'll see whenever you look at these vehicles in person that we've got corners capped and all the edges wrapped so that we can really make this look like it's actually painted like this. And then one of my things I really love are these retro stripes that are almost ghosted. So I'm not the kind of person that likes to do super loud modifications. I like things to be real subtle. So when you walk up to the vehicle, you start noticing all the Easter eggs. And this stripe adds a really, really cool detail. We have our XR Plus window film. This is our high heat rejection film. We've got it on all the side windows and the front windshield as well to block all of the heat out. And that's pretty much all we've done to this. We did ceramic coat it as well, but we've got some other modifications coming. We've got some lights that light bar that's gonna go at the top. There's some more bumper components we're gonna add. And I think that's it for now. We've got quite a big list. I can't remember all of it. So there's more stuff coming, but be on the lookout for this Bronco at the local meets. We'll have it out. You guys can check it out and explore it with me. But actually, I think that we've got to leave here soon because we're about to head to Pistons in the Park here in a couple minutes. So stay tuned and keep a lookout for us here in the Austin scene. And we're excited to show you both of these vehicles.